In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in WordPress. If you've updated a page, changed a theme setting, or tweaked a plugin, and the live site still shows the old version, the cache is usually the reason. Clearing it forces WordPress to regenerate fresh pages so your visitors see the latest content and fixes right away. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center, where you manage posts, themes, and plugins. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard screen, and from here, you can access everything you need to handle caching. Next, open your caching plugin's dashboard or settings. The exact name and location depend on what you use. Popular options include WP Supercache, W3 Total Cache, WP Rocket, and Lightspeed Cache. You'll typically find the plugin listed in the left-hand menu, sometimes under Settings, sometimes as its own top-level item with the plugin's name. If your hosting provider handles caching for you, you may also see a caching tool added by your host in the menu or in the top admin bar. Inside the plugin's screen, look for the control to remove stored files. It's often labeled Clear Cache, Purge Cache, or Empty All Caches. Click that button. Some plugins show a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental purges. If you see one, simply confirm. Others provide options to clear specific parts of the cache, like page cache, minified CSS, or JavaScript, or the database and object cache. If you're unsure, choose the general Clear or Empty All Caches option so everything is rebuilt cleanly. After you trigger the clear, the plugin will begin deleting cached files in the background. This usually takes a few seconds, though very large sites may take a bit longer. You might see a success notice at the top of the screen when it's done. It's normal for your site to feel briefly slower immediately after a purge, because WordPress has to recreate pages for the first new visitors. Performance should quickly return to normal as the cache fills back up. At this point, your recent edits should appear publicly. If something still looks out of date, remember that other layers outside WordPress, like your browser or a content delivery network, can also cache pages. But in most cases, clearing your WordPress plugin cache does the trick. That's all there is to it. Log into your dashboard, open your caching plugin settings, and click the Clear or Purge Cache button. It's a quick, safe routine that keeps your site accurate and up to date.